I'll just let this simmer for about 30 minutes, then I'll add my cooked rice. It's another thing I have, meat sticks from my deer with cheese. These things are really good. Very good. It is getting colder and colder out here. Grab my emergency blanket. This is going to help keep me warm. Get the maximum amount of heat that I can from this fire. I love these space blankets. Gives me something to sit on, and the fire radiates heat, bounces back off of this reflective mylar surface. And without it, it's a lot colder back there. I'll let that simmer for about 5 more minutes, and then I'll add my rice. And this rice is already cooked. A little frozen, so I'm gonna break that up, stir it in. Let's give that about a minute or 2 on the heat, and I'll take it off. It's about done. Oh, that's looking good. While that cools down, let's get this fire blazing again. Melt some snow.